We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 20 foot enclosed trailer. This does have the white exterior. It is a smooth polycore exterior. Has your Blackout package, so it's going to have the black ATP stone guard. This does have an extended tongue. It comes with your jack coupler and safety chains, as well as the breakaway system. This is a tandem axle. It does have two greasable 5,200 pound axles. Has your 15-inch wheels and tires. Your rear loading ramp is wired with the LED drive lights. This does have your passenger entry door. It does have the RV lock. The interior does have the wood walls and floors. There are 4 built-in D-rings. Here we have your passenger entry door. There's a light switch that does go to the 2 LED light strips. Manual roof vent. This does have an interior height of 8.5 feet. The spring-assisted loading ramp. This does have a heavy-duty ramp. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer. This is a white trailer with the Blackout package. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.